Around 2 months ago, there was a murder that took place in the center of Vietnam between a couple that people believe would live happily forever. The perpetrator was a 29 years old military dude that murdered his 22 years old girlfriend. And when the case was released for like 1 or 2 days, guess what? People have already made assumption about that. Like without the knowledge that they might have some conflict beneath the surface, they might have arguments, and the people they don't give a fuck. They say that he kills his girlfriend because he's poor and you shouldn't marry a poor people. And all the fact that he was in military, so never hang out with military dude. They are so dangerous. Like, are you serious? Are you fucking serious? You didn't even know shit about them, and you're already making decision without using your fucking brain to think for a second. Like that's what pissed me off so much about people, man. Like they're seeing something for like 10 or 20 seconds, they already make decision, they already conclude and making assumptions. Well, meanwhile, they never know what happened. They never know the truth. They don't have enough information, and they decided just to act on their feelings, act on how they think at the moment. And I'm blaming all of this on TikTok, bro. Like since the day it came out, nothing good has happened. The world got a new disease, and no one was good was enough acknowledging that disease, and they just let it rule the world because the thing about TikTok is that obviously it's ruined your attention span because the clip was so short, but it kind of kills people decision making ability. Like for a healthy adult, the best way and the most appropriate way to handle information is that when you receive a stimuli, for example, like you heard about the murder, and the second step is that you evaluate that stimulus. And the third and final step is to make a conclusion. But it seems like people have forgotten that middle step and just go straight into a conclusion. Because TikTok's kind of, they feed people a lot of things that the TikTok knows they want. Like people, they don't even know what they want anymore, and they're just assuming that whatever TikTok show them is right. And you know everyone, it seems like they are getting dumber and growing backward to when they were like 12 years old. And this is like I'm touching on a concept that's called the 12 years old theory. Like no, the everyone is 12 years old theory. And basically it's said that our culture of the short form videos have made our brain become you know smaller in the terms of ability to think and to evaluate situation. And it seems like everyone nowadays is kind of growing backward and not being more adultly. They are like literally 12 years old, because whenever you go online you'll see that people, they're acting immature, they're acting like you only live once and just do whatever they like why don't you use your brain for like 1 second, bro, before you make all those irrational decisions? People get arrested, they never admit, they even act out on anger or shit like that. And like people have actually forgotten how to use their brain, bro. Like I cannot get over the fact that in a case, in a murder case where everything is so complicated and even the investigator needs time to invest, they cannot make assumption yet because they haven't known a lot of things that needs to know. But the key of the keyboard warrior, they'll be fucking like, hey, I'm the genius in this. I've watched like hundreds of these cases video, and I know that I can do better than those investigator. No, you fucking not. Sit your ass down, put your phone away, and think about it for like fucking 1 minute, bro. Like just that's it. Think about it more. There's a concept that I use to handle a situation when I receive information, and that is to double check. It basically just doing the middle step, but with a second layer. It's like just thinking more about it, like in different people's perspective. You got to know why they did that. You got to know which other people make them do that and what's happening in their brain, and is that the reason why they initiate the action. And like it's just a more cautious way to be smarter in this world. Like, do you really want a world that filled with people that cannot make the right decision all the times? Of course not. You want a civilized world, right? And I'm making this video just to, trying to do something, bro. Like, I'm trying, if you can resonate with with everything I said right now, then I'm happy for you, bro. Like, a lot of people, they don't even like realize that TikToks are bad, and like those short form videos are really killing their inner child, bro. Like, it kills everything about a person's brain. The prefrontal cortex, the ability to think, the ability to make rational decision, have all been lost by just a few 15 videos second, 15-second videos. And yeah, it's kind of heartbreaking, bro. Like, sometimes I can't even understand people, man.